Good day. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Monday. Sunday for you, Tom. How are you? Oh, you okay, Tom? Oh, we're breaking up. Okay, we'll see. Um, oh, it's back. Oh,
I
let me
don't
just
know what
share
the
this.
issue is.
You there?
You hear me?
Yeah, yeah. It's all sort of a bit muffled.
You hear that clicking?
It's like, I don't know if I'm clear, but you're sort of
Crystal
all
clear.
distorted.
You were crystal clear. I got a new clicking.
Okay. Yeah, you're all distorted, but I don't know about anyway. So, welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because a group of people helping each other, and we are not financial advisors. So, just take any trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a forest disclosure, a bit about us as live session traders, and sometimes there's little gremlins in the system. We'll see. Anyway, I did have a sleep in on my Friday, Tom. Quite enjoyed it. Um, there we go. We'll look at the currency pairs. Oh, something going on. Tom's having a few issues, it looks like. That's okay. Something to do with sound or something. He might not be able to interact today. We'll just see how we go. Anyway, so this is the AUD CAD. It has popped back up here. It's
Oh, there
up
we go.
above.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, yeah, perfect now.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you did you take what the apple out of your mouth or something? Or
I didn't understand you. What?
I, s- I said, did you take the apple out of your mouth? It's like,
Oh,
you were like,
something
oh,
like
bye,
that.
bye, bye, bye. I didn't know what was going on. That's so cool.
Yeah. For some reason, sometimes when I turn this on my phone and it
Mm-hmm.
hooks to my Bluetooth headless headphones,
Ah,
I
right.
get this weird clicking, like kick, and I can't get rid of it. So I gotta shut the phone off, shut my earbuds off, and reboot everything to have
Right.
it all reconnect again.
Okay.
So sorry about that.
No, at least, no, no, no. It's no problem. At least you know how to fix it. That's a good thing.
Yeah,
Hmm. I was saying that, yeah, I had a nice sleep in on Friday morning. It was
good.
well worth it. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, um, what was I going to say? How did you go? You miss you doing well? Did well for the week?
Yeah.
Lovely.
I was up uh 9% on Thursday, I think it was, and I ended up
Wow.
closing everything
Yeah.
except my one trade that's running now, and it's at 20%.
Oh, what pay is that?
That would be GU.
Okay. Oh, right. Okay. All right. Because that's right. The British Reserve Bank was or British Bank was going to lower interest rates, wasn't it? Anyway, we'll get to that point. I didn't even look. Been full on this weekend. All right, so AUD CAD, yeah, it's pulled back up. This, if you look, no, that's not that. Their rate decision this week from 3.85 down to 3.6, so 2.25. They think that's on the 12th, which is my tomorrow. So last month they said, like, it was everyone going, yeah, yeah, there's going to be a rate cut. And there wasn't. So we'll just see what happens this month. I'm looking for it to drop off. But anyway, it might just push up for a bit and then drop, but see how we go. So I'm in a slight bit of drawdown at the moment. Look, I was thinking, Tom, about this and some of these sort of more relaxed. I mean, I hang on to them far too long. Far too long.
Oh yeah.
I should be
That
anyway.
that's wishful thinking trading.
Yeah, but it's that's not it. Was it it? That's not it. That's not it. That's it. Right. Well, that's it. There. So now with this indicator, the gold bar, we call it the
Hmm.
gold bar, do we?
Okay.
Do we call it the gold bar?
You can call it whatever you like.
The gold brick. The gold,
Gold
oh,
brick.
whatever. The gold brick. I mean, I could have got out at any one of those, and yeah, get back in, whatever. So it is hopeful thinking, and that's right, Tom. I've got to change the way that I'm doing things. So, um, in some cases, anyway, and I think that this is quite if I had got out there, I would have made like 3% or something with that larger stop loss, which was back then. Um, and I would have avoided all this, would have profited, and then I could have just taken some of these ones. So anyway, just been thinking. So AUDCHF, same thing, been pushing up. I'm still in profit on it, but like these things could have been good. Well, that anyway, there could have been a good way of saying, right, okay, I'm out of that one, like you do. Right.
Yeah, I took like 10 trades.
Yeah.
Uh, I think I lost two.
Yeah.
All the rest of the little trades made up for those two losses and
Yeah.
profited. And
Yeah.
then I just held on to the one that actually just ran.
Yeah.
And I'll start the week anew.
Mhm. Yes. 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 Again,
Yeah, I
I'm
don't
looking
care. I
at.
don't care if they don't work.
Yeah, I
I just
know.
don't care if they don't work. I'm going to
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
into my trading strategy, and
Yeah.
if they
Yeah.
work, great. If they don't, I'll pick it up next week.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's good. All right. I'm just. Yeah. That's okay. So you're in one trade only, and that's fair enough. All the rest of you profited out. AUD, JPY. Again, look here. Wouldn't that have been a good trade to get myself into? Like just like even here, look, where for a long, and if I was to, oh, sorry, I'm going to do it here. If I was to go right, okay, can I get into that? And yes, I had was it one brick down there? Wasn't it one? Yeah, one brick, 40. I think that's right. Oh no, there's even two. Oh God, no, that would be too close, would it? Oh no, 20 pips. That's okay. And then off it goes. And then at that, there's even 4%. Like, not too bad, is it?
No,
Okay, right.
it's what you're looking for.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're looking for. All right. Uh, close it off before the weekend. Job done. Easy. All right. AD NZD. This one's been a weird one anyway. But again, look, there's a gold brick and it's pushed back up again. Like, probably wouldn't take it because of this sort of slow move. If you get there where you get a couple of bricks, you might even if you get in two bricks later or something, like you're still getting that move. That's the thing. Anyway, okay. 80 NZD. Right. I don't think you would have got any. I mean, look at that move there, though. If you get in and then it goes a gold brick, you just get out. I mean, no big deal. Okay.
Which one
AUD.
are you on? Oh, that
I
was the
was
one I don't trade. Okay, that's why it didn't
AUD.
make
No, no,
sense.
no, no. AUD NZD.
Oh, I
No,
see. Oh no, I'm not in that yet. No,
no.
it's still playing.
Yeah, I know. I know. That's what I'm just saying to you. It's all over the joint
Yeah.
at the moment. Well, let's see what happens with rate decision tomorrow. because the word is, yeah. Anyway, we'll see. Last month they said it was going to, and they didn't. So, but now they've got some inflation figures down. They've got unemployment's gone up a bit. So some of the things are in place for them to make a move. Anyway, this is AUD Singapore. So I'm looking at that pull up and then drop off again at the rate decision. So let's just I'm just going to watch this from a brick perspective. It's coming up to 61.9. I'm going to go up here and then drop off. So if I can put a sell stop in, we'll just see anyway. That's what I'll need to do for it. Okay. I won't do a limit. Let's do a sell stop. I think wait for it to get up just above the price and then get something like at the 61.9 for it to come back down. Okay, AUD USD, that also is pushed back up. But then we've got this little pullback at the end of the week. Again, we'll see. Oh, why doesn't it do the 88? What happened there? Didn't. Right. Put that in. There you go. Oh, we could do this, couldn't we? Yeah, okay, hang on. Do template. Oh, I don't need template. No, it's okay. All right, yeah. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. Comes situation, same sort of situation as a Singapore as well. That's the red sin. What's this one? Oh, inflation coming out for US. Okay. Right, yeah. Okay. So they're early AUDs. And I'm just in those. I'm just going to wait for the rate decision and see what happens. I know I should be doing something else, but it's not worth at the moment changing it. All right, CAD CHF. Now, did you get into that buy there? I think it's going to go further.
No.
I think it's going to buy further up. I think this is the turn here and for it to push up. What are your thoughts, Tom?
I'm waiting for it to pull up to that gold bar where it's at,
Yeah, up here. Yeah.
sweep that liquidity with a
And then
wick,
drop down, you reckon?
drop off, and make a new low.
Okay. I'm
So
of the
I have my trade set up here already.
Okay. I'm of the thought that it'll pop up, take out one, pull back, and then start going back up again.
You may be right.
I may
It
be
may go that
wrong.
direction.
We'll see. Look at this. Bang, bang, bang. Just and then a wick up. See, look at the wick here.
Mm-hmm.
And still got another wick there. I think there's enough for me. Anyway, we'll see what happens with the start of this week
Yeah. Do you
anyway.
see what the wick came back and took?
This one.
The flat one. No, the bottom
Uh,
wick.
this one here.
Yeah, you see that bottom wick? Go to your left. You see the
Yeah.
flat brick with no wick in the middle?
That one.
One over.
There.
Yeah, you see that brick with no top on it? There's no wick.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's what it had to come back and take.
Oh.
So
Oh,
now
because it had gone down, popped up, and then dropped off again. So
it
there's
had to match out that wick.
liquidity sitting there, which is not anywhere else except for no, it's not even there. No, it's just that one that's odd one out.
It's that wick.
Yeah,
It's not that brick, it's that
yeah,
wick.
wick. Yeah, yeah. No, but
There's no wick on that brick.
yeah, yeah, it's no wick, but the wick had to come down because that's the odd one out. That's where liquidity's sitting with that one brick. Because it did that
Right.
push, push, push. Yeah.
Right. So what I'm saying is now that it's came back and taken that wick,
See, it did the same thing here, and that one came up.
yes, that's
See,
exactly right.
did the same thing there. Yeah.
That's exactly right. So I'm looking only for this to go as high as this top brick, create a wick. It's going to come down, push off your red trend bar,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
create a new low. Because you took
Mhm.
out, with that last wick that you created at the bottom, you took
Yeah,
out that flat top brick.
yeah, yeah. It took out the liquidity.
So
Yeah,
now, if it's going to push down, it's got to beat that
the
wick.
bot, but it's got to beat the bottom then.
It's got
Oh
to
no,
beat that bottom wick.
yeah.
And since there's one, two, three bricks across the bottom, if it's going to beat that bottom wick that it just created,
Mm-hmm.
it's going to make a
I'll
new
go
low.
down. There we. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, let's see.
If it
This.
continues up, it's got
Yeah.
to make a new high because
Yeah, it's got
there's
to make.
no
Yeah,
wicks at the top.
correct. Yeah, it's got to make a new high here.
No, at the very top. See, there's no
Oh,
wicks up
up
there.
here. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. There's
So I'm
nothing
looking
there
for
there.
this to push down, up and down, up and down, up and down, turn. It's going to break your trend line down on your
Mm-hmm.
fib
Mm-hmm.
and then take off.
Okay. Let's see how we go. Could be a lot of sideways movement until we need to anyway.
I'm looking within the next 24 hours.
Okay. Well,
All it's got to do is form a brick there. It's going to form a brick with a wick, snatch that top brick's liquidity, and push we go.
okay. All right. Let me wait and see. Okay. KJ. Right. Still there. It's good. It came down here to draw down. Now it's gone back into some positive. I'm going to wait to see where I go by. Now it's going to get out of this one for the minute. Oh, not. It could just push up and go up past the top too. So let's just keep watching.
But you have
Here
a
we
wick
go.
up there.
Up here, I do. Yeah.
Yeah.
What does that mean to you?
Where don't you have a wick?
Down here.
Uh huh. So I'm looking for this to pull up to 88 on this push from this gold bar to that gold bar with my fib. It's going to push up to the 88, match
Hang
out
on. Whoa,
the.
whoa, 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 whoa. Let me just see. So if we go from there to there, is that what you're saying?
Yep.
Okay.
Take a box behind you,
You
a
reckon
rectangle box. Grab a
yeah.
rectangle real quick.
Hang on, go get it. Yep.
Can't beat that last box behind it where the 6-8 is. That's the one.
In here, this one.
No, the gold bar behind it, the one you attached your fib to. Go to the
Up
very
here.
top.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, right there. It's that box right there. Draw that little box behind it. Just go behind it. Go behind it. Keep it off your fib. Just like that. Okay. So now you have a uh, grab another rectangle real quick.
Yeah. Got one.
Okay. And then go from the high brick inside your fib, inside your fib.
There.
Yeah, just no, go to the brick at the bottom.
This one.
Either brick, either at the top or at the bottom, but be on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. Now raise that all the way up to the top brick. Underneath. It's always got to be within. And then grab that to your left, that rectangle to your left, and drag it across the other way. Okay, so what you're looking at is you have your 618, you have your 88, you have your, I call them Tuesday boxes because that's just what I call them. The Tuesday box behind your top gold bar, you're looking for 50% of this rectangle you just put on above. So what I mean by that is anything anything above that 50% line, you're looking for gold bricks to sell. Anything below the 50% line, you're looking for gold bricks to buy. So if you want to buy it up to the 88, you're looking for gold bricks that are going to be, you're going to look for bricks that are pushing up. So it's got to be above that 50% mark on your rectangle. If you're looking for shorts, you're looking for any gold bricks that are above that 50% line. Does that make sense?
Yeah, just 1 second. What? Right, that's the 50% there.
Mm-hmm.
So
So as
yours,
this is coming
what?
across, your trend lines are coming across. You see your trend lines coming across?
Yeah,
Both of them?
both. Yeah, this one here and this one here. Yeah.
That's right. You're waiting for this bottom green trend line to come up around this bottom area. So as
Hmm.
this starts pushing up, if it doesn't break the red wick on the high, you look for the brick. It should close around 50%. And then it's going to pull back and then push
Which
up into the 88. And
which is
then,
basically the next brick is
uh,
is the 50%.
yes, yes, except this gold brick can close above the 50% line
Yeah.
and then pull back. You don't know where that brick's going to close.
So that's what I'm saying to you. The next brick, if there's a gold one and it's below the 50%, you're saying that it's going to, hang on a minute, did you say it was going to buy further? Or did you say it was going to sell? I can't remember what you said. Sorry.
If there's a goal, just look at your gold bricks.
Mm-hmm.
How do I explain this? If you just look at your gold bricks, you're looking for that 50% mark to get tapped with a wick or a sell out. You don't want it to close above. If it closes above that 50% mark,
Mm-hmm.
you wait until it sweeps the 50% line with a wick. So it may push up, pull back, push up, pull back. And what you're doing is you're watching your trend lines come across and they're going to get closer and closer and closer. And then as you drag that white box across
Oh,
with
yeah,
your
yeah,
fib,
okay.
it's
Yeah.
going to eventually hit that 88. You're going to go, okay, I'm going to sell out the 88. And then it sells out the 88. When it pulls back down and it taps that 50%, that's where it's going to drop off.
Mm-hmm.
If it's pushing up and it's pushing up, then it comes back and it pushes up and it comes back and it pushes up and it taps that 50% and the line's blue, you're buying it out.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
because you're pushing up right now, you see how you're pushing up?
Yeah.
Reverse
With
your
the
fib
wick down. Okay.
because you want this. So now, if
Mm-hmm.
you think it's going to buy, you think it's going to buy out of that box, we're going to keep
Yeah.
pushing up hard.
Yeah.
Then you're looking for buys because you're pushing up. You haven't
Yeah.
even tapped the 88 at the bottom yet. You just broke out of
Yeah.
it. So
Yeah.
now if you break out of this 618, wait till it crosses the 50%, let it come back underneath the 618, get another brick. That'll be two bricks, the brick that created the move and the brick pullback, and then buy it out. If you think
Yeah.
it's going to short, all you're doing is flipping your fib over and doing
Yeah.
the exact
Exact
same
opposite.
thing.
Mm-hmm.
Exact same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't stress this enough because it's like a cheat code for me. Put your next pivot point back on. you're really shooting yourself in the foot by not having it.
Three? The pivot. This is the pivot. This
No, it's called the next pivot point.
that one.
That's the one. That's what's going to keep you out of shitty trades. Believe it or not. Are you going to miss trades? Yes. I'm telling you that'll save your ass more times than not. Because you just won't get in. You'll be like, nah, I think this is going to buy. This is still telling you it's going to sell.
Right.
Everything has to align. And I mean everything. If you notice where the 50% line comes back and gets tapped,
Yeah. See that?
look
Yeah.
at your top green line. Okay,
Mm.
let's walk through this line just
Yeah.
real
This
quick.
one.
You see
This
where it
just
pushed
here.
down and said we're going to turn here, and it turned.
Yeah. Down
So go to
here.
the very top where it started.
Yeah.
Okay, that push. It told you it's going to turn there, and it gave you a gold bar. It
Yeah.
said it's going
Yeah.
to push up. What is that green top right there?
This
Push
one
up.
here.
What's that?
Mm.
That's the 88.
Oh yeah. Yeah. If you flip it, yeah. Oh,
So now
hang on
it
a minute.
says this is going to come back down and make a new low. Tap the green
Hey,
line.
hey, 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 hey. We'll just change this. So yeah, it comes back up to 88 and then drops off. Yeah.
And if you'll notice, it doesn't beat the Tuesday box behind the candle.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It doesn't beat it, right? So it pushes
Mm-hmm.
off. Now
And
it's
then
created
drops
a
down,
new
breaks the
low.
low, yeah, then pushes up to 50 and then drops back off again to take out over here and then pushes up.
That's right. That's
Hmm.
exactly right. So if you're saying, oh, I think this is going to push up, really? Do you? I mean, do you really? You
Well,
got a short on the daily.
but what it's doing is it still has to complete this to actually come down here, not break that low, but to take out any sort of liquidity sitting in here and then take off. It's just that.
Exactly.
So for me to say that it's going to buy up, I'm correct. It's just not going to do it yet. It's got to do this
Right.
first before it does that.
So if this gold brick all of a sudden says, oh, we've come back, touched the brick, now we're starting to push off, and we get all the way back up to this 88, and it
Mm,
keeps going, and it keeps going, and it keeps going, you just missed it.
who cares?
Who cares?
Yeah,
You're looking
exactly.
for the failure. One,
Yeah,
two, this will be the head and shoulders pattern in the 88.
yeah, yeah.
It won't beat your Tuesday. You'll be above the
Hmm.
50% line. That'll
Yeah,
be your entry, the 88 to the 618.
yeah.
Boom,
And
all the
down
way
it
down.
goes. You'll get a gold brick, and then down it'll go.
Right. And then when you get that gold brick and it starts pushing down, this green line's going to go, let's change directions and do something else. And you're going to go, but I thought this was going to go down.
Hmm.
Again, as I've heard a brilliant trader say 1,000 times, Brian, that the
Hmm.
market's going to do what it's going to want to do.
Yeah, Mark's
But
going to
if you
do it. Yep.
set your trades up as
Mm,
it shows it and you get one push out of this that actually works and works right,
mm,
that's all
hmm.
the money you need to make.
That's right. Yeah. Mm. And
And by the
and
way, I have the exact same setup on my screen.
yeah,
Exact same setup.
and it might have the only that so that push might be the only bit you grab, and then you get out of it when it starts to push back up here, and then get back into again to the sell.
Or this may push up to the 88, give you a brick, push
Yeah,
down,
yeah.
and not beat this brick.
You mean this one here?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then it
Okay.
may pull back again,
Yeah, yeah,
go
yeah, yeah,
higher than usual, and it'll
yeah,
give you
yeah,
a different looking green line.
yeah. Because it changes once it actually
That's right. It's going to
as it
change
moves
to the
along.
situation or the scenario that it's being created.
Yeah. Okay.
So this thing's going to give you a wealth of misinformation All it's trying to
Mm.
do is keep you out of bad trades. I think it's going to buy, and all of a sudden this green line will change, and it'll be like 1, 2, 3 giant steps down.
Mm.
And it's like, do you though? Do you really think it's going to buy? You
No,
know what I
no,
mean? It
no.
makes you question what you're doing because 9 out of 10 times you're wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm wrong 99% of the time. But this has helped me slow down and
Yeah.
keep me from guessing which direction it's going to go. And unless it fits my trade setup, I don't take it.
Mm.
So I'm sitting here with a trade setup waiting for it to come back up to the 88. I'm not even interested in this pullback. I want that bigger push down
Yeah,
and that bigger push up. So
yeah.
I'm patient. I'll just wait. So if you take your fib, take a fib real
Mm.
quick from the very low. See it down there by the green line? Right there. Perfect. Up.
Go to there.
Look where it comes down to each time. The
Yeah,
618,
61 Yeah.
the halfway point. Now the bottom at the 88. Do you see what I'm saying? So you're going to be
Hmm.
able to set these trades up the way it shows. And if it works out the way it's supposed to, you take the trade. If it doesn't, you just let it run till you're
Yeah.
almost
Yeah.
damn positive it
Mm.
just can't go anymore.
Mm. Okay, cool. All right. Well, my idea is to so what I'm going to do then is
Now
wait
you
for
can
this.
delete as much stuff off that as you
No,
want if
no,
it's
no,
too much
no.
for you.
No. I'm going to wait for it to push up here. As soon as I get it go, I'm out. I'm out of it,
Okay, so
and then I'll
take
probably
a
get into a sell on it.
so take another rectangle real quick.
You got one?
Okay, and run it through that bottom row where there's no gold bricks.
Oh, this one here.
Yep, right there. So anything with a gold brick around that is what you're looking for.
Hmm. Yeah, for the turn to go back up. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool. All right, then. Next pair. And we'll go.
That's the setup. So once you go through one of these, you'll see it in all of them now.
Yeah, 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 yeah. CHFJPY. Wow. Right.
That's where your fib should be at that gold bar.
This one.
Yep.
Oh, you got me to put it down here.
Well, yeah, that's where you originally put it because that's your high to your low. Once you get your first push, you move your fib. It pulled back to the 88, pushed off. Now it's created a new low. So again, grab another box. You want your fib 50% from the high to the low. Grab your Tuesday box, and you're looking for the last blue candle up. There it is.
That one just there.
Yep. So just go ahead and mark that box backwards so it's not on your screen.
Yeah.
Just like that. Okay, so it shouldn't beat that box. Wherever it comes back up to, it should not beat that box. If it pulls up and beats it and matches out, that's fine. That's
Hmm.
fine. But you're looking for this to pull back up and anywhere now because it's showing you that it wants to push down.
Yeah, yeah.
Anything that gives you a gold box to push
But
down,
yeah, yeah.
I would
You
start taking.
into it. Yeah, I understand that. Hmm. Yeah.
In fact, you could move your fib down now. Uh, wow, yours looks really different from mine. I mean, It's all the same, but it just, oh, I'm on the wrong pair. That's why. I'm sorry. So there's my fib. Move my fib up. See, I do the same thing. I forget to move it.
We both did it together. That's why.
Yeah. So anything above that 50% that gives me a gold bar, I'm
Yeah, I
looking to
know.
sell.
But yeah, sell that. Yeah, I know.
Anything I get as far as a gold bar that looks like a turn, I'm out. I'm going to take it.
Yeah, you're going to take the sell. Yeah, yeah. This could be what do we got now? Oh, yeah, it's the middle of the month. That's okay.
So
Mm.
do yourself a favor.
Hmm.
Mark out your Tuesday box down below.
I just did that one. What do
Yeah,
you,
you can. They're right there. That's the one.
that one
You want to
here,
mark
isn't
that
it?
one as well.
This
That's
here?
your yeah. That's where it's going to pull back to. And then down at the bottom is your other gold brick. See it sitting there with no wick. See where the arrow points down to, which brick it's pointing at. Look at your arrow. Go your green line. Go over to your right.
Green arrow to the right here. The green line.
Go over to your right. Drag the screen over.
Oh, sorry.
Other way. Other way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You see where the point of the arrow is on the predictor?
Oh, here. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Find that brick.
That one.
Now find the brick. You always look for the gold brick.
Oh, the gold one there. Yeah.
There's what it's going to bounce off of.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know what you meant by arrow
I know
stuff.
that's okay. So now you're looking for that bounce
Okay.
somewhere in there, anywhere that gives you a gold brick in
Mm,
there.
mm.
Now, as your trade moves down, you're moving your
Yeah.
fib with it.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah. Because this can change. It could do pullbacks and yeah, okay.
Right. And your white box that you have up there for your 50% line should be
Mm-hmm.
moved down to the bottom of that gold box. One down.
The bottom
No,
here.
nope, from the top. Yeah, one box down. There you go.
Oh, because that's the goal. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That
I,
that is your
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah,
is
yeah.
your that's your space that you're working with at
Yeah,
the
yeah,
moment.
yeah. In that one, yeah. Yeah, I looked at it from up here
And the
from the
trick
high.
is, the trick is to if this is going to just go sideways, the trick is to watch it for that 50% line either above or
Or
below.
below.
It's gonna tap at one point and choose a direction. You're
Mm,
looking
okay.
for these. You got to get out of your head. What are the bricks doing? You got to watch your trend lines. The
Mm-hmm.
trend lines are going to tell you when it starts getting closer and closer and closer, and you're just
Mm-hmm.
dragging your fib out and you're dragging your white box out, and eventually it's going to hit these fibs and that white box and actually just push out. And then when it pushes way back up, you're going to do the exact same thing at the bottom, and the fib lines will come and cross near the top
Yeah,
of the
yeah,
box that you put on.
yeah.
I can't I
Okay.
can't express to you how important those trend lines are.
Mhm.
They are a canary in the coal mine, man.
Good. All right, then. Let's go. Your AUD. This is going to be a. Mm. Oh, okay.
Trip out for a second and set it up. You want to trip
Yeah.
out? Set it
Yeah,
up.
yeah, sure, sure,
Okay. Do
sure.
you? Uh, yeah. Just make it smaller. Just
Yeah,
you
I
could just
know, I know.
if you could just do this screen for a second.
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
So
grab a
it's,
fib.
yeah, to go up to there to there. Okay. So where it is now is from here up to there.
Go to the top. Yep, just like that. Because that's all you're working with. You don't know what's going to happen until it actually happens.
Yeah,
So
but
that's
it's
your
all,
range. So now that
yeah.
you've got a gold box, you have to flip your FIP over the way it is, and you're looking for it to come back down. So now that white box, you see the white box you have?
Hang on, whoa. I'm just gonna put it the other way. There you go. Yeah, the white box. Yeah.
Okay, move that back up to the top where those two bricks are across the top. Nope, down, down. One more, right there. It should not beat that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Well,
now
that's
take
what
it.
it's saying.
That's
Yeah.
what it's saying, right? So now
Yeah,
take
but
your.
we've already got a gold brick here, so it could be just turning back down again anyway. This
Yeah,
before
you're
then.
assuming that gold brick's going to stay there.
Yes, I
Don't
am.
forget, it could push up and erase that gold brick.
Okay. Well, yeah.
Okay, so now take your other rectangle and do high to low. Yep, yep. Okay, so now anything that comes out of that box, anything that comes out of that box, and you get a brick, buy it back out. There's your 50% line. Did it cross it?
Yeah, it did.
No, it just came right to it. Look at that gold brick sitting on that 50% line.
Yeah, but it's above the 50% though.
Again, you can't count on that gold brick. Nothing's real until it's posted.
Yeah, but you've got bricks above the 50% line and bricks below it.
Yep.
So it went above it, below it, above it, below it.
So what I mean by that, Brian, is let's say you get a brick here, a blue brick with a wick, and it goes above that gold box, right? So point to
Um,
where the blue brick is now.
that's the current blue brick going
That's the
down.
current blue brick. So the next brick that sets
Hmm.
up
Yeah,
could be a downward brick.
yeah.
Nope, right next to it. It doesn't go down, right next to it. Exactly. And then that's the
Hey?
wick. So that
Yeah.
brick would turn into a wick and it pushes up, wiping out this gold box.
Okay.
Do you see what I'm saying now? So then
Yeah,
this gold
but
brick,
what I am saying, okay, so I come back at what I said to you the other day. I very rarely do I see only two bricks in one direction.
no,
Right
no, no, no,
after
no, no, no,
after
no, no, wait, wait, wait. You're right. You're absolutely right. All I'm saying is
hmm
you can get a brick here, a blue brick with a wick going through that gold box, and the next brick, the third brick, one, two, three over, where it's just going across and there's nothing
hmm
there,
hmm
could be a push up and it'll wipe out that gold brick and not show it as a gold brick.
Right, it'll disappear.
It'll disappear.
Hmm
And then the gold brick will show up at the top above it.
Right. Relocate.
That's what I'm talking about. Now, in this case, because that red wick went up and tapped that line, that box,
Hmm
I too am looking for this to push down. So my entry, because that gold box can disappear, my entry is at the bottom of that wick. See the
This
wick at the
one,
blue?
this one here. Yeah.
Yes. And my stop is at the 50% line.
Yeah.
Now, when
Gotcha.
I trigger in, I will move
Yeah.
my stop above that red wick.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Gotcha.
Because if it breaks that bottom wick, we are going down.
Yeah. Yeah.
As this says, it's going to go down.
Yeah. But you want a buffer in there for like
I want to make sure it's going
changeover
to
and
do
yeah.
what it says it's going to do.
Yeah. Okay.
Because if it taps me in below, there's no way it's going to beat that red wick without giving me a couple candles.
Wow.
How many pips is that?
50. Has that's a good 3% on that one.
And
If it,
that,
if it comes to the point, or
but you
even
have
above
to,
that point.
yeah. But you got to realize the moment this starts moving
Yeah, no,
and it starts
it's
pushing down, this
yeah,
green line is going to change.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
And now it may say push down, pull back up, and then drop off.
yeah, yeah,
And you're going to be
yeah.
glad you're going in the right
But
direction.
direction, yeah, is whether you get it out or not is the other thing.
Right. So if this pulls down, like 2 bricks, gives you a
Hmm.
gold brick and starts pushing back up, I'm out of the trade.
Out of the trade, yeah, yeah,
I have to
yeah,
wait for the next setup.
yeah,
It's not done working in here yet.
yeah. You got to reevaluate it all the time, which is fine.
Yes. So even when you go to bed at night and you put on a trade,
Yeah,
when you wake up, it could be a completely different trade.
different. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So don't be afraid to get out of them.
and many times it is. Mm.
Right. Because even the computer's wrong.
Oh yeah,
And if
yeah,
the
yeah,
computer's wrong, there's no way you're going to be right.
yeah, yeah. You're
So you're
using it
just
as
doing what you're
direction.
told.
Mm. Um, yeah,
And
because
look
I
at down the
think,
bottom where the point on the green line is. It's coming down to
yeah,
that brick.
yeah, 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 I know,
Is
and
there a wick on that brick?
uh, no,
Okay, so grab a rectangle. That is your drop dead point.
this here where it
Just a
is.
brick. Because when you get ready to set up your fib going the other direction,
Well, that's why I put the TP above it. I put the TP there over here. The TP
however,
is
however you want to do it, dude, it doesn't matter.
no, no, but that's what I'm just saying. I
You're not
was
getting out of the trade till you get a gold brick down there, anyways.
correct. I understand that, but I'm just saying. Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah,
I'm
I
just
get you.
setting it up as in going like, well, if in this scenario in this state right at the moment with the market not working, that's where I drop it just because I did. All right, let's go down through some other pairs so we can because I got to come back to this. When will I get back? Yeah, I don't have too much to do today. That's okay. You're okay. I'm back on buses today. Whoa. Okay.
Fix your fib.
Hmm. Wow. Tap the
Yeah.
88.
Yep.
Yeah, but whether it will break the top or not, it's the other thing. We just got to wait
It's a
till we get a
double top.
gold.
Of course it's gonna break it.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, but I wouldn't get into the buy. I'd wait for gold brick and get into that sell.
Oh, I'm 100% getting into that buy. A hundred
Now,
percent. Absolutely. You
okay.
got no gold
Oh,
brick here.
yeah, it's no gold brick. Yeah,
It's gonna pull back, tap that brick that has no wick. See the no wick at the bottom?
this one.
Right there to your right. One brick over.
Oh, that one.
That one right there. Look at what line is right next
No,
to
that's
that.
got a wick up top. It's got a wick up.
I know. Look at the
Oh,
bottom of that brick.
yeah.
What's next to it?
That's a 61.9.
That's right. So my entry is at that 619.
Mm-hmm.
My stop, my stop is at the bottom of that wick over to your left in the middle,
This one.
over to your left,
Oh,
to
that
your
one.
left, to your left.
Oh, there.
There, that's my stop.
Okay.
Stop,
Could be there or
entry,
there. Doesn't really
profit.
matter. Yeah, okay. Because okay. So you say it's going to pull back a little bit, then it's going to push up here, and then we're going to get into the sell. Okay.
Now, if it doesn't do what I
Like
want
I
it to
just
do,
did
I'll
that.
miss the trade.
Yeah, but who
But
cares about that?
you have to realize when this thing starts moving, because you're going to be in the right direction, this green line will change. It could be one brick or it could be three bricks. It doesn't matter. It's going to change.
Good change, yeah, okay.
You're just changing with it.
Yeah, reevaluating at each time you come and look at it. That's okay. You just got to go through the pairs and reevaluate and then work out where you're at, either in or out of it.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. You're a CHF. Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
came down right
Man,
down to the
I'm going to cook this
88,
week.
pushed up. It's going to come up to here,
Flip your
then
fib.
we're going to get the sell. Yeah. Yep. Hang on a minute. It was reversed. It's okay. There. Right, it's right at the 88 now.
You know, I have my 50% on there. Because one of these are going to tap that 50% line and not come back either direction. That's from the high down to the very low of your fib is perfect. There you go. That's what you're looking for. Everything on one side of the 50 or the other when it comes to the trend lines.
At the moment, it's saying it's going to drop and then sell out and break the low without any problem. But we reevaluated. Okay.
But I'm set up here for a trade. If I get a gold brick, I'm in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. If you get a gold brick, you're in. That's right. For the sell. Mm.
If it only
Okay.
comes down to the 50, bounces, gives me a wick down to the
Yeah.
50 and shoots back up, I'm into the
Yeah.
buy.
Yeah. And out of the sell.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Euro GBP. Wow.
Now, could you foresee that?
No. Oh,
Yeah.
well, to a certain extent, we cross over here and push up. I mean, hmm, we've got to wait and see for a buy back up and not break the low. Anyway, I've got to go. So sorry. Let's
That's
go
okay.
through
Keep
these.
going. Keep going.
Euro JPY. Wow. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You're looking at getting into the buy.
Yes, as soon as it pulls back to my
Oh,
fib.
you're gonna wait for that and then okay, no worries.
Yep.
All right, Euro NZD. This will be similar to the AUD. Whoa. Yeah. Really?
Yeah, mine says it's going to sell even further. It
Mm.
maxed out on the daily.
Oh, NZD. Hang on, go back to AUD. What did we say there? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Oh yeah. Euro Singapore. Okay.
Which fib?
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay. Right. You don't trade that anyway. Euro USD. Okay, now we've got a gold break. It's pulling back to the fib. and then potentially buy back. So you wouldn't get into that sell?
No,
Okay.
because
Okay.
that's telling me it's going to buy.
Yeah, I know. I know.
So now I'm only looking for buys out. So I have my fib on, then I have my 50% mark,
Yeah, yeah.
so on and so forth. And if it pulls back and sets up for a buy with a gold bar and I'm above the 50% or even below the
Yeah.
50% line, I'm still
All right.
buying it.
All right. GBP CHF.
What happened to GA?
Oh, GA. We did GA, didn't we?
Did
Oh
we?
no, we didn't. No, you're right. Sorry, I apologize.
That's
GA,
okay.
we didn't do.
Yeah, look at that. Flip your fib.
Yeah. And flip it.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on. Hang on. Uh, come down there. It's now pushing back up.
Mm-hmm. Look at your daily. Look at your
Yeah.
trade there.
Just get that.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
look where you thought it was going.
Yeah. Correct.
And I'm sitting here looking at this going, dude, you're going to lose money.
Hmm. Weird. Okay. I never got to see the GU. Anyway, we'll get to that. All right. GCAD, we've already done. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay. Crossover, come back, and then it looks like it's okay. All right, let's do that. GBP CHF, I reckon that's going to drop off as well. Still in, unfortunately. Let's see this pullback, and then I'll. Yeah, okay. We should get a gold brick here soon. Pull back and then a push back out. All right. GJ. Wow.
Yeah, it needs to be reversed. You're pushing up.
Oh, no, it's right where it is. Oh, you reckon it'll push up through
You
there?
always go in
Okay.
the direction of that line. If you
Yeah,
notice you
yeah,
got a
yeah, yeah.
long on the other one,
Yeah.
go the direction with what it's going.
So it could push back here. So it'll push up. Yeah, okay. But it doesn't matter. I mean, if it, well, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's got to be in the right direction. Okay. GN. Okay. GBP Singapore. That's pushed up as well. And GU. Now, what's GU done? Okay. So after the rate thing, oh, I haven't got it here. After the rate thing, it basically pushed up.
Yeah,
The British pound strengthened against the US. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to sell, but it's going sideways on us here.
I'm up 2.34 on this one.
You got into the buy.
Yep.
Okay. Now let's go NZDs because I'm going to go there soon. Wow. Okay. Okay. NZDCHF. Yeah, it changes the perspective of trades, doesn't it?
Yeah. No matter if they're right or
Yeah,
they're
look at
wrong,
look
they're
at look,
keeping
look at
you out of
this.
bad trades.
Yeah, it is. That's right. Yeah. Okay, NJ, same. Then come out break and then start coming back down. Okay, NU, at least it'll cycle it. It does give you a different perspective, doesn't it?
Hmm. Much cleaner look.
Okay. Singapore, Germany, yeah, I got that. Oh, that's good. Thank you. Yeah. Well, let's see how we go. We get up, then I'll be back into the profit, and then I'll get out when it turns to come back, and then get into another buy. Okay. USD CAD, no, eventually going to drop off. Okay. That's what it's saying, but so we should could get a gold bar here for a push back out. Buy right then. USD CHF. Right. Wow. Okay. Let's keep going over here. USD Wow. You reckon it's going to go straight up?
Well, it just pushed down into the 88
Yeah,
exactly.
no.
And I mean exactly.
Quite change this. Big, is that it? That's it. Oh, no, that's not it. Well, what am I doing? Where's the, oh, must be down lower. There it is. Right on the 88.
Look at that. Now, put your 50% on real quick. There you go.
Okay. This more. Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Gold's push back up again. Looks like it's going to come back down to then go whoop, up. It's same, but we'll just see. Silver, same sort of thing. Bitcoin jumped up. Now ready to come back down. Okay. And oil's back at 63. It dropped off a considerable amount, didn't it?
Hmm.
All right, but it looks like it's going to just work its way back up again. It comes into here. Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that
Okay.
row.
Sorry. Yeah, that right. Yeah, the row there. That's what I'm
All it's got to
saying.
do is just wick tap it.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to have a gold bar there covering
Th-
that area.
then push
Just
back
got to
up
wick it.
again. Mm. All right. I better go. I'm going to be
All right,
up.
man.
Sorry.
I'll
All
see you
right.
tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for all of that. We'll just see. Someone want to organize, get myself out. Okay. No worries. All right. Thank you.
All
Take it
right.
easy.
Bye bye.
Glad you work your sound out. Ciao.